This particular intake is for the Mk2 Focus ST. As I pull this out of the box, you can see we have the intake pipe here, which is made of a high cross density linked polyethylene. Really, really great material. Like I said, K&N is amazing quality. Now we also have our cone filter, of course, a very unique looking cone filter, and all of the necessary fitment materials to ensure that you can get this fitted in your engine bay, looking amazing in under 60 minutes, guys. This is going to be a super easy install, guys. It looks really, really great in the engine bay. It looks like it's supposed to be there. It's going to guarantee an increase in horsepower. K&N also have an amazing lifetime guarantee with all of their products. So guys, this intake will allow up to 50% more airflow. Like I said previously, this is for the Mk2 Focus ST. So you guys are going to be really wanting as much airflow as you could possibly get. You're not going to have to change this for up to 75,000 miles. It comes with a complete step-by-step guide on how to fit this. We have 2 pages worth of pictures and instructions. So guys, this is a great piece of kit. So guys, that is the cold air intake for the Focus Mk2. A really cool car, a really cool bit of kit. Please shop at POTN Direct on eBay. And guys, if you have a K&N filter or you're planning on buying one, please send us some photos, drop us some pictures. We're likely to include you on our socials, and we're interested to see what sort of stuff you guys have.